Welcome to this instructional video on how to perform a bulk upload of apprentices on EPAPro. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience. First, navigate to the Apprentices section of your EPAPro dashboard. Along the top, you'll see various registration options. To begin the bulk upload process, click on the Import Apprentices section. Here, you'll have several options available. Ensure that the action type is set to Create Apprentice. You can download the sample CSV file to understand the required format and information. This example CSV provides a template that includes the necessary fields for apprentice data. When you open the example CSV, you'll notice pre-filled data that you can replace with your own apprentice information. The fields include standard IDs, unique learner numbers, also known as ULNs, and other essential details. To help you fill in the required information, refer to the help sheet available under the Validation and Apprentice documentation. This PDF document lists all the fields in the spreadsheet, indicating which are mandatory and correct formats for each. For instance, the gender field will specify the acceptable characters or numbers. This ensures you input data correctly, avoiding format errors during the upload. To further assist you, there's a Find Us button. This tool helps you locate various ID columns required for the upload. For example, the external standard ID is the identifier for the standard the apprentice is registered on, including the specific version. Each standard and version has a unique external ID. This section provides a list of all standards and versions associated with your account, allowing you to copy the correct ID into the spreadsheet. Similarly, you can find IDs for specialisms and employers. When registering an employer on EPAPro, an employer ID is generated. During the apprentice upload, you'll need to attach this ID to each learner. The list of employers and their corresponding IDs can be found in the same section. If you need help registering an employer, please see our video on how to register an employer on EPAPro. Once you've filled in all the required information in the spreadsheet, save it to your desktop. Then, click Choose File to upload the spreadsheet and press Upload. If there are any errors, such as already registered apprentices, mismatched dates, or unrecognized IDs, they will be highlighted in the Error section. Hovering over the red boxes will display information about the errors. For example, if the external standard ID is invalid, it will indicate so. Similarly, date errors will inform you of any issues regarding the minimum duration. You can correct these errors either directly in the spreadsheet or within the system. If you choose to make changes within the system, the columns will be highlighted in yellow. Once you've corrected all errors, click Import again. The system will refresh and indicate if there are any remaining issues. If all errors are resolved, the columns will turn green, signifying that the data is correct. After successfully importing the data, all apprentices will appear under the Apprentices section in the On-Program filter. For example, you will see entries like Frank Hall, who was imported from the bulk upload on today's date. This means all your apprentices are now entered into the system with the provided information. If you're only registering a small number of apprentices, you may prefer to do this manually. For help with that, watch our video on how to register apprentices on EPAPro. Thank you for watching this guide on how to perform a bulk upload of apprentices on EPAPro. If you have any further questions, please get in touch with us, and thank you for choosing Training Qualifications UK.